In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Plesk free account. If you've been looking to explore the capabilities of Plesk, but want to try before you buy, you're in the right place. We'll walk through setting up a 14-day free trial license, which offers a full suite of features so you can experience everything Plesk has to offer without any initial commitment. First, let's kick things off by understanding what Plesk is all about. Plesk is a renowned web hosting control panel that simplifies the management of websites, domains, and applications. It's widely used for its user-friendly interface and powerful functionality, making tasks like setting up a new website or managing server settings a breeze, even if you're not a seasoned tech expert. To start your journey, you'll need to install Plesk on your self-hosted server. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. Plesk's installation process is well documented and straightforward, guiding you through essential steps to get it up and running smoothly. You can download the Plesk installer from their official website and follow the step-by-step instructions they provide. It's important to ensure your server meets the necessary requirements, such as having a compatible operating system and sufficient resources to run Plesk effectively. Once you have successfully installed Plesk, you'll be prompted to select a license option. This is where the magic of the free trial comes into play. Look for the option that says Proceed with Full-Featured Trial License. Select this option as it will activate your 14-day trial period, during which you'll have access to all the advanced functionalities Plesk offers. This includes features such as web hosting, server security, site monitoring, and more. It's an excellent opportunity to explore these features and see how they can enhance your server management experience. As you begin using your Plesk trial account, take some time to familiarize yourself with its dashboard. It offers a clean layout where you'll find tools to manage domains, databases, email accounts, and various web applications. If you're new to Plesk, the interface is designed to provide a smooth learning curve, making it easy to navigate and utilize its wide range of features efficiently. During your trial period, I recommend exploring sample features like creating a new website or setting up different domains. Also, try out some security features and check out the extension catalog, where you can add capabilities or integrations to tailor Plesk to your specific needs. Experimenting with these features will give you a better understanding of how Plesk can be advantageous in managing your web hosting needs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can enjoy a free 14-day trial of Plesk and get a real sense of its capabilities. Don't forget to make the most of your trial by leveraging all functions and exploring every nook and cranny. I hope this guide helps you kickstart your journey with Plesk. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring Plesk.